Hello guys, this is Adil from Kazi Auto. We are installing 360 camera for Nissan X-Trail 2016. We have to install 4 camera, rear, right and left mirror and front camera. After we run the cable, we have to connect it with the Android screen, and we do have to do the calibration. After the calibration, you will see this is the final result. As you can see, top view of your car, right, left, and on your left side you can see panoramic view of your car. And the best thing is you can record it in the USB drive, and in case you need the video, you can just remove the USB and just copy in your system. You can see the playback. As you can see, we are moving the steering, so the front wheel also moving in the camera. This is very nice and good product while driving and while parking. It's very convenient for new driver. Thank you for watching our video.